You loving that, Heidi? He says, please get me out of here. Oh, get that blanket. Get that blanket.
No, that's... These are not your toys.
Said Holly? Are you playing with Holly?
Go get her, Emily. Go get...
Say Holly. Holly. That's Holly. Say Holly. Come, Holly. You like your baby here. You like Emily, don't you? Yeah, you like playing with Emily. You missed Grandma, didn't you? Yes, you did. She did.
What are you doing? Huh? What? That's a door. No, we're not going outside. No.
She hasn't had a nap yet, right? Okay. What time have you been putting her down? Okay. I wasn't sure if you wanted me to keep her on that or what. Okay.
No.
She's playing. Okay, well she's just playing, trying to get in the dog water right now. But she's having...
Emily, no.
Yeah.
Emily.
She might just take a longer afternoon nap. So, alrighty.
Yeah, honey, she's picking it up.
Alright, bye-bye. Well, honey, I'm on the phone, connected to the phone, and you're standing there with the camera. Honey, she's picking it up.
Well, come on, Grandma, watch her.
No, Grandpa feels it so full. Sorry. Things go up when you come home. Yep, that's your chair.